I'll break your head. I'll break your head. You're very stupid.
Sandra,
You're very stupid.
let me explain for you.
Don't come close to me.
Sandra.
Don't come close to me.
Sandra.
I know you're a player. You're a player.
Not like. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzy, aka I get about the market man, and with me today I have a
My name is Sandra.
Sandra. Wow, beautiful Sandra. Please, can you just spin around a little bit for the camera so that beautiful? See, this is Sandra, beautiful Sandra. Sandra, where are you from?
I'm from Benue State.
Benue. Sandra, please, how can I say you are very beautiful in your language?
Oina John Chonya.
Oyina John Chonya. Hey, I don't learn that one. So my Benue people, I come if I see any fine girl. Oyina John. Ah, so what's your beautiful name? What's your name?
Glory.
Your name is
Glory.
Glory. Glory, please, can you come closer? You are far from me. Yes, I want to tap from God's glory. Glory, can you please turn around a little bit? A little bit. This is the glory of God, and this is glory. She has double glory in her. So, Glory, where are you from?
I'm from Delta.
Delta. Glory, please, how can I say you are very beautiful and sweet in your language?
I don't know.
You don't know? Ah, shame on to you, Glory. You don't know your language. Go and sit down. Try. I don't like people that don't know their language. No. So, my beautiful sister here reached out to me and said, please, Agiriba, the last time you came to Ajegule, I was not around. Please, can you please come back? My boyfriend, I'm suspecting that he's cheating on me, and even rumors have it that he's cheating on me, but I don't want to believe what rumors is saying. You don't understand? I want to see and believe. Seeing is believing. I said, okay, no problem. Oh, here I am today. So we're gonna call your boyfriend now. So that she this her beautiful friend, by the way. Glory here is a very good friend of hers. So that's why she came with Glory. And so let's have your boyfriend's number. Take your number. Glory, remember everything I told you. When you want to make call to him, you seduce him. Understand? Let your voice try and that kind of thing. Just peche peche peche. Let's see if he's going to fall. Somebody like me, I will fall. Come close, like put your speaker. See ringing. It's not ringing. Call him again. No, no, ring.
Hello?
Hello?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is this.
This is Glory.
Glory. Who's Glory?
Sandra's best friend.
Oh, okay. What's up now?
I'm fine. Please, where are you?
I'm at home now.
Are you busy?
Yeah. I'm busy now. Doing something.
Like, very busy.
Not really, but I'm busy. Any problem?
Yes, so there's a little problem I want you to help me solve.
Okay. What's that?
Um, there was one guy I was expecting a guy from Abuja and he didn't show, and I would like you to come around. I'm in a hotel.
You want me to come around?
Yes.
You said Glory, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you're my big friend now. Like two of
Yes,
you are
I
close.
know. Well, me and that girl don't fight since last 2 weeks, so we are not talking. Just forget about her.
Uh-uh. Seriously.
Seriously now, just for the two of us.
Oh,
You know my
you know
body
say,
is doing me like this now.
eh?
My
You know
body
to
is
make sense
doing
now. Until they talk not too sharp now.
good. Just say I'll come now. Just come. I'll the way you don't understand.
How sure are you? Say this thing now we talk and a nice idea.
It's doing now.
Wala no go dey.
There's no wahala now. Why are you doing as if you are a kid?
No, not like that. If one like this, no, my mind dey your side. But no, so if you say you are my babe na party na me, I no fit dey put my verse. You don't come from your mind now. Wetin go happen be say just send me the address na so that I fit come.
Okay, now no problem. I will send it to you now. Thank you.
Oh yeah, na send on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Send him there. Send him. Wait. Send him the address. Send him the address. Send him the address. Just Send him. We are waiting for him. Now, wow. Let's see. Let's see what will happen though. Let's just see. Maybe he's coming to come and preach. Maybe we don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen though. Mm-hmm. Oh. Wait. Relax first. Wait. Relax now. See, you already. Jesus. Your color don't dey change. Oh, pick. You can tell him to come to the board.
Hello? Are you coming? No, yeah, start coming.
I'm almost there. I'm now at that junction now.
Come front now. You see
In
me.
front of that school now.
Yes, come.
Okay. I come.
Go ahead. Let's wait for him. Wait.
He will know me today.
Jesus.
Oh, so
Wait, Jesus Christ of man.
what's going on? This is what you have been doing, Abi. This is what you have been doing. You want to fuck, you want to knock. You have seen big nash. You want to come and knock. Come and knock. What is happening?
Babe, chill now. No be like that.
You have been deceiving me, right? You have been deceiving me. You are very stupid. You are very.
Which kind of rubbish be that one?
Wait.
I thought you said you people had the fight. What
What's
kind
beyond
of
this one?
What kind of rubbish
Jesus.
be this one now? Stop now. What is this now? Stop!
Stop now. Which
Stop now. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I know like this thing
You are very
Which kind of rubbish be this one now? There's something that happen now. Which kind of they follow me? They play anyhow play now. Which kind of rubbish be that one now? Me I don't do that before. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I don't like all this kind of thing.
This I will break your head. I will break your head. You are very stupid.
Sandra,
You are very stupid.
let me explain for you.
Don't come close to me.
Sandra.
Don't come close to me.
Which kind of rubbish be that one now? Sandra.
I know you are a player. You are a player.
Not like that. I can explain this.
Don't come close to me.
Don't do.